of DAM Capital Advisors Limited, I welcome you all to the press meet of Jain Resource Recycling Limited IPO. We at DAM Capital, as the left lead banker, feel extremely privileged and honored to be associated with Jain Resource Recycling Limited. Before we start, I would like to introduce to the team that we have here today. Mr. Kamlesh Jain, Chairman and Managing Director. Mr. Mayank Parikh, Joint Managing Director. Mr. Hemant Jain, Executive Director and Chief Financial Officer. Mr. Sanchit Jain, Head of Operations. Jain Resource Recycling is engaged in the recycling and production of non-ferrous metals in India with capabilities to handle multiple products in recycling at a single location and has an extensive global network for recycling materials. They are primarily focused on manufacturing of non-ferrous metal products by way of recycling and recycling of non-ferrous metal scrap. Their product portfolio comprises of lead and lead alloy ingots, copper and copper ingots, and aluminium alloys. The company's lead ingot is registered as a brand by the London Metal Exchange, which provides them a distinct advantage to access to a broader customer base by offering products compliant with international quality standards. I would now like to give you all a brief about the IPO. The total issue size of the IPO is INR 1250 crores, comprising of a fresh issue of INR 500 crores and an offer for sale of INR 750 crores at the upper end of the price band. The price band is set from INR 220 to 232 rupees with the bid lot of 64 equity shares. The issue opens to public on Wednesday 24th September and closes on Friday 26th September. Anchor will be on Tuesday 23rd September. I would now like to invite Mr. Kamlesh Jain to give a brief overview of the presentation.
Namaskar. Good afternoon. So, as I'm Kamlesh Jain and the Mayank is the joint MD and Hemant the CFO. So I'll tell you how recycling is coming and why India is, I can say, king of recycling. So recycling is coming from mainly two sources. So one is the end of technology and second is the end of life. Now हमारे रोज अपने घर के अंदर में रोजमर्रा की चीज़ें होती है, जैसे आपके घर पे कोई बैटरी चली गई या कोई केबल है या आपके घर पे कोई बर्तन होते हैं. हर चीज़ की एक लाइफ है कि आपके पास अपना मोबाइल है, लैपटॉप है, कंप्यूटर है, जो भी चीज़ें हमारे चारों तरफ है, तो वो सबकी लाइफ में 2 साल से लेकर 5 साल वॉशिंग मशीन, टीवी, फ्रिज, सबकी लाइफ के बाद में वो चीज़ें आपके लिए वेस्ट हो जाती है. आप कबाड़ी वाले को देते हो, उसके बदले में कुछ बार्टर कर लेते हो, तो उन चीज़ों से वापस वही प्रोडक्ट बन सकते हैं. दैट्स द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग कि ये अगर रिसाइकलिंग नहीं करेंगे हम लोग तो इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू लिव द लाइफ ऑन दिस प्लैनेट. So one is the end of life and second is the end of technology. बहुत सी चीज़ें बिकॉज ऑफ दी टेक्नोलॉजी खत्म होने से चीज़ें वो खराब हो जाती है, मतलब उन चीज़ों का यूज़ होता ही नहीं. जैसे हम लोग ज़माने में वी यूज टू यूज म्यूजिक ऑन टेप रिकॉर्डर, देन वी हैव LD, DVD, CVD, फिर पता नहीं पेन ड्राइव. नाउ वी यूज म्यूजिक ऑन iTunes. All those products are become obsolete. So again we have to recycle. So like fiber आने से केबल, millions of tons of cable, telecom cable got waste. Now this is are the very big अर्थ पे एक बोझ है, उसको हमको निकाल के करना, रिसाइकलिंग करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड दैट इज़ वाई दिस कंपनीज इज ग्रोइंग सो फास्ट बिकॉज ऑफ सो मच ऑफ टन्स एंड टन्स ऑफ रिसाइकलिंग कमिंग, एंड इन दिस सेगमेंट द कंपनीज आर ग्रोइंग. सो व्हाट इज Jain? India is king of recycling because India has got a lot of USP. We have number one is the cheap labor available, mass supply of labor available. Recycling generate huge employment. हमारी फैक्ट्री में 4-5 हज़ार लोग काम करते हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि ग्लोबली इंडिया में सारा माल रिसाइकलिंग के लिए आता है. नंबर 2, द गवर्नमेंट सपोर्ट इज़ वेरी बिग फॉर रिसाइकलिंग. आज गवर्नमेंट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट रिसाइकलिंग पार्क, इंसेंटिव फॉर रिसाइकलिंग, EPR बेनिफिट्स. इट इज़ वन बेनिफिट फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट. एंड थर्ड इज दी रिसाइकलिंग के अंदर आप मेटल करो या प्लास्टिक करो, बट प्लास्टिक का रिसाइकलिंग वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिजनेस इन कॉपर रिसाइकलिंग. So overall you can see that India got unique USPs, and there are many other USPs, but I'll cut short. India got unique USPs to recycling globally, so that's why Indian companies are growing so fast. About Jain, yes, Jain is one of the largest company in India for recycling, and a lot of USP Jain is having. So we have vertically end-to-end recycling company with a huge production capacity of 3 lakh ton per annum. We are an elimination brand, so it works for advantage in marketing side, the quality approval side, and many of the contract when you are registered LME, you have by default approvals in many places. The group is like 75 years old group. My grandfather started this group, and my father and me and my son now 4 generations. But this business we started only 10 years back, so it's like a startup. Recycling started only 10 years back, and 10 years we grown India's largest recycling company and top 10 in the world of recycling. We also care to the like we recycle batteries, cable, car shredding, aluminium, and many other byproduct of that. And that's the unique USP that all we do in single location in Chennai, which makes us different from the peers. We have 4 recycling plants. We have revenue of 7,000 crore last year. The EBITDA was 368 crore. The ROE is 41%. Then, and there are export revenue 61%. Our ROC is 24%, and the company is growing year on year. Last 3 years, as I said, 41%. Next slide.